I came to India in 1973 to continue Manipuri dance training, and I had the great pleasure and privilege of going to that wonderful state to study La Haroba, the pre-Vaishnavite tradition, to study the great Ras tradition and Kartal Cholam, to learn about the Umanglai and the ancestors who came down from the hills when the valley became dry. It is one of the greatest cultural intangible heritage sites of India. The people there have always been peace-loving, multicultural, with over 35 communities. And I so much pray for peace and returning to caring for all of the humanity of all of the people of Manipur. It is a wonderful state, an ecosystem that depends on both valley and hills. And we know that the people will always be one when this unfortunate, tragic mayhem has ended. I pray for peace for all Manipuris and all of the people of India.